Have you ever wondered how some people build their wealth from nothing? It's a question that stirs the mind, isn't it? This isn't about winning a lottery or inheriting a fortune. No, we're talking about ordinary individuals who start with zero, and yet somehow they manage to amass significant wealth. How do they do it? It's all about personal finance and wealth building. Understanding the nuances of financial management can make all the difference. It's like a secret map that guides you, revealing the pitfalls to avoid and the shortcuts to take. It's about making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. And the impact on wealth creation? Well, it's nothing short of astounding. So, are you ready to explore this intriguing world of financial wizardry? Today, we delve into 11 personal finance tips that can guide you in building your wealth from scratch. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be an exciting one. Firstly, understand the power of saving. Saving isn't just about putting away a portion of your paycheck each month. It's about developing a mindset of financial discipline and foresight. It's about understanding that every cent you save today is a stepping stone towards the wealth you aspire to build tomorrow. The beauty of saving is that it doesn't discriminate. Whether you can save $1 or $100, what truly matters is the habit. The habit of saving is the cornerstone of wealth building. It instills in you the discipline to manage your money wisely, to live within your means, and to plan for your future. With each penny you save, you're not just increasing your bank balance, you're paving the way to financial freedom. So don't underestimate the power of saving. Embrace it, cultivate it, and watch it transform your financial world. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Secondly, make your money work for you through wise investments. It's not just about saving, it's about growing. Investing is like planting seeds. With patience, care, and the right conditions, those seeds can grow into a bountiful harvest. It's an opportunity to multiply your wealth over time. However, investing is not a game of chance. It requires research and understanding. It's essential to know what you're putting your money into. Blindly following trends or tips can lead to losses. Always do your homework, and remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes and sectors. This can help mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Think of investing like a balanced diet. You wouldn't only eat apples, would you? Variety is not just the spice of life, it's also the cornerstone of a healthy investment portfolio. Investing wisely can turn your pennies into pounds. Thirdly, avoid debt like the plague. It's an age-old saying, you can't get out of a hole by digging deeper. This analogy rings true when it comes to the detrimental effects of debt on wealth building. You see, debt is like a dark shadow that follows you everywhere, hindering your progress. It's a burden that doesn't just weigh on your finances, but also on your peace of mind. Living within one's means is not just about financial prudence, but also about freedom. The freedom to make choices, the freedom to seize opportunities, and the freedom from stress. It's about building a strong financial foundation that isn't shaken by the winds of unexpected expenses or economic downturns. So, let's make a pact. A pact to live within our means, to avoid debt, and to build wealth responsibly. Because in the grand scheme of things, the road to financial prosperity isn't paved with credit cards and loans. Remember, the borrower is slave to the lender. Before we continue, if you're finding these tips valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to keep bringing you the most effective strategies for building wealth from zero. It's exciting, isn't it? The journey to financial freedom is just a click away. Fourthly, equip yourself with financial education. In the vast sea of personal finance, your compass is knowledge. Just as you wouldn't set sail without a map, you shouldn't venture into the financial world without a solid understanding of its principles. Financial education is not about becoming a Wall Street whiz overnight. It's about grasping the basics, understanding income and expenditure, knowing the difference between assets and liabilities, learning about interest rates, and how they affect your savings and loans. With this knowledge, you can make informed decisions. You'll know when to save, when to invest, and when to pull back. You'll be able to decipher the fine print on financial documents, sidestep potential pitfalls, and take advantage of opportunities that come your way. So, take that online course, read that finance book, subscribe to that finance podcast. Equip yourself with the tools you need to navigate your financial journey. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finance. Fifthly, set clear and achievable financial goals. Remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, so it's crucial to have a destination in mind. Financial goals serve as your compass, guiding your decisions and providing a sense of purpose. Whether you're aiming to pay off your student loan, save for a dream vacation, or perhaps invest in a new business venture, having these goals clearly defined is the first step towards financial freedom. But it's not enough to simply set goals. They need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, make it specific. I want to save £2,000 for a new car in 2 years. This gives you a clear target and a timeline to work with. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Sixthly, live below your means. This is a principle as old as money itself, yet it's often overlooked in our modern, consumer-driven society. But what does it truly mean? Living below your means is not about deprivation or living a life of scarcity. Rather, it's about making mindful choices and prioritizing your financial future over immediate gratification. It's about that daily expensive coffee that could be replaced with a homemade one. It's about choosing a less expensive car or home than you can afford, not because you have to, but because it frees up your money for saving and investing. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs, and making decisions that align with your long-term goals rather than short-term desires. By living below your means, you create financial breathing room. You're not constantly chasing the next paycheck. Instead, you're building a solid financial foundation. Remember, wealth isn't about earning a lot of money, it's about spending less than you earn. Seventhly, create passive income streams. Imagine a river. It's flowing, it's consistent, it's relentless. Now, translate that image into your financial life. That's passive income. It's money that trickles into your account without you having to actively work for it. Think royalties from a book you've written, or rent from a property you've invested in. It's money that works for you, even when you're not working. Having multiple streams of passive income is like having several rivers feeding into your financial reservoir, creating a steady flow of wealth. It provides security because if one stream dries up, you have others to rely on. More importantly, it offers you time. Time to pursue your passions, time to spend with your loved ones, time to live rather than just exist. In essence, passive income is not just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your most valuable asset, your time. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Eighthly, protect your wealth with insurance. Just as a knight needs armor to guard against unexpected blows, your wealth needs insurance to shield it from unforeseen financial risks. Insurance, in essence, is a contract that transfers the cost of potential loss to another entity in exchange for monetary compensation known as the premium. Think of it this way: life is filled with uncertainties. Accidents, illnesses, and disasters can strike at any moment, potentially wiping out your savings or plunging you into debt. But with the right insurance, these financial blows can be softened or even avoided altogether. There are different types of insurance to consider, such as health, life, auto, and homeowners insurance, each serving to protect different aspects of your life and wealth. Each type of insurance serves a unique purpose, but they all share the same goal: to provide financial protection and peace of mind. Remember, insurance is not for the present, it's for the future. It's about safeguarding your wealth, ensuring that your journey towards financial freedom remains on track, no matter what life throws at you. Ninthly, build good credit. Imagine credit as your financial reputation. It's a reflection of your financial trustworthiness, and it plays a significant role in your financial journey. Good credit isn't built overnight, it's a product of consistent, responsible financial behavior. You might ask, why is it important? Well, good credit can provide you with financial flexibility. It can make it easier to get approved for loans or credit cards, often with lower interest rates. It can also make a difference when it comes to things like renting an apartment or setting up utilities, where your credit history can be a deciding factor. So, how can you build good credit? Start by paying your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your limit. And don't forget to monitor your credit report regularly for any errors. Remember, your credit score is more than just a number. It's your key to financial freedom. Good credit opens doors. Tenthly, Perform regular financial checkups. Just as you would schedule regular checkups with a doctor to monitor your physical health, the same principle applies to your financial health. Think of it as a financial wellness check, a time to evaluate your financial fitness. You'll want to review your savings, investments, debts, and overall financial goals. Are you on track to meet these goals? Have your financial circumstances changed? It's all about staying informed and proactive. Regular financial checkups can also help identify potential problems before they become major issues. For instance, catching a small mistake on your credit report early or spotting an unnecessary expense can save you a lot of money in the long run. Remember, your financial goals are not set in stone. They can and should be adjusted as your life changes. So be flexible and adapt your financial plan as needed. Always keep a close eye on your financial health. Regular checkups are an essential step in building wealth from zero. Lastly, be patient and consistent. Building wealth is like cultivating a garden. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and most importantly, patience. The seeds of wealth are sown in the soil of consistency. Consistently saving, consistently investing, consistently learning. You might not see the fruits of your labor immediately. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune. The magic of compound interest takes time to work its charm. The longer you let it work, the more magical it becomes. Consistency is the key that unlocks the door to wealth. It's about making the right financial decisions, day in and day out. It's about sticking to your financial plan, even when the going gets tough. It's about not giving up, even when you experience setbacks. In the world of personal finance, patience and consistency are your best friends. They are the steady hands that guide the ship of wealth through the stormy seas of economic uncertainty. So, there you have it, 11 personal finance tips to help you build wealth from zero. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal growth, productivity, and finance. Together, let's embark on this journey of transformation and unlock our fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.